Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I will share a mind-blowing 5-minute scalping strategy that delivers the most accurate buy and sell signals you've ever seen. To truly understand this strategy, make sure you watch the video till the end, as we will use two different indicators together to confirm buy and sell signals. These two indicators, when used together, have the ability to increase your account size exponentially. So without wasting any time, let's open our Tradingview chart. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. As I said, this is a 5-minute scalping strategy, so I will be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. This strategy can be used also on a 1-minute time frame, but the accuracy will decrease a little bit because of higher noises on 1-minute time frame. You can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market. The only requirement is trading volume and liquidity, because we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bidding and asking prices. So first of all, let's quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. To add the first indicator of our strategy to the chart, we will open the indicators section. Here we will search for machine learning Lorentzian classification. After that, we have to add this indicator to our chart. This indicator is built based on machine learning algorithm. As we can see, this indicator has also got an editor's pick award. So this is how this indicator will look on the chart. For our strategy, we will only need the buy and sell signals given by this indicator. So let's access the settings of this indicator. In the Style tab, we will remove labels and also tables. This indicator is a very powerful and advanced indicator that is built based on a machine learning algorithm. In short, the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator works by utilizing historical market data to train a model that can classify current market conditions and provide actionable insights for traders. We will see how we will use this indicator in our strategy later in this video. Before that, let's add the second indicator of our strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So we will open the indicators tab again. In the search tab, we will search for simple neural network transformed RSI, and we will add this one, which is created by Quantra AI. This indicator is also an advanced indicator, which is an improved version of RSI, and it's built based on simple neural network smoothing technique. This indicator is also a very powerful indicator that considerably performs better than the original RSI. In my previous video, I explained the complete usage of this indicator in detail. You can watch it on my channel. For this video, let's quickly see how we can read this indicator. These two lines are at a 2 standard deviation from the center. Based on statistical principles, 95% of data falls between these two lines. When the RSI line crosses and move above this standard deviation line, just like it did here, there is a high probability that the momentum will slow down or the price will reverse. So in this strategy, we will wait for the RSI line to reach this line or this line. These two levels are considered oversold and overbought regions respectively. In case you are wondering, the RSI line in this indicator is shown using the Heikin-Ashi candles. This is an excellent feature of this indicator because it will help us to track the momentum change with a minimum amount of noises. So when we have RSI in the overbought level, we will wait for the candles to turn to purple in color. In this example, you can see that it turned to purple color here. When Heikin-Ashi candles is purple in color and the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator give a sell signal like this, we can enter a sell position. But one important thing to consider over here is that when we get a sell signal, there should be no change in the color of Heikin-Ashi candles. And the exact opposite rules work for opening a buy trade using this strategy. So now that we know how we will use these two indicators in our strategy, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the RSI neural network indicator to enter the oversold level and then change its color from purple to green, just like it is done here. Then we will wait for the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator to give a buy signal, and during this time we have to make sure that the Heikin Ashi candles remain green in color and don't change their color. So if these conditions are met, we can open a buy position at the next candle. After our buy position is opened, we will set our stop loss at the recent swing low, and we will set our take profit target level at 2. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target. Now let's go through another buy trade example. Here we can see the RSI went in the oversold area and then changed its color from purple to green. After this, we got a buy signal here. So we can open a buy position here. Our stop loss will be set at the recent swing low, and the risk to reward ratio will remain the same. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. It is a pretty simple strategy, but has a very good accuracy rate at the same time. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So for a sell trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the RSI neural network indicator to be in the overbought level, just like it is here, and then change its color from green to purple. After this condition is confirmed, we will wait for a sell signal from machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. And just like we did in buy trades, during this time we have to make sure that the Heikin Ashi candles remain purple in color and do not change their color. So if these conditions are met, we can open a sell position at the next candle. After our sell position is opened for sell trades, we will set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we will set our take profit target level at 2. Now let's see if the price will hit our take profit target. Let's go through one more sell trade example. In some cases, like we can see here, our first condition was fulfilled right here, but we got a signal very late. And during this time, we can see the Heikin Ashi candle changed its color several times. So if this happens, we will not enter a buy or a sell trade. So here we can see the green-colored Heikin Ashi candles change to purple in color after the market reached the overbought region. And we got a sell signal just after that. And we can see during this time, the Heikin candles didn't change their color. So we can open a sell trade here. I hope you guys have understood the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. Please feel free to share your thoughts about this strategy in the comments. Also, please like this video and subscribe to my channel before leaving. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.